securing financing and budgeting wisely. Financing a foreclosed property can present unique challenges compared to traditional home purchases. Some lenders may perceive these properties as higher risk, especially if they require significant repairs. As a result, securing a mortgage might involve stricter requirements or higher interest rates. It's advisable to work with lenders experienced in foreclosure transactions, as they can guide you through the nuances and offer suitable loan products. Creating a detailed budget is essential to account for all potential expenses. Beyond the purchase price, factor in repair and renovation costs, property taxes, insurance, and any outstanding liens or fees. Consider obtaining a renovation loan, such as an FHA 203K or a Fannie Mae Homestyle loan, which bundles the purchase and renovation costs into a single mortgage. This approach can provide the necessary funds to restore the property while managing your financial outlay effectively. Additionally, it's crucial to have a contingency fund for unexpected expenses that may arise during the renovation process. Unforeseen issues such as hidden structural problems or code violations can lead to additional costs. Having a financial cushion ensures you're prepared to handle surprises without jeopardizing your investment. Moreover, consult with a financial advisor or mortgage professional to understand the implications of your investment. They can help you assess your financial readiness, explore financing options, and ensure that purchasing a foreclosed property aligns with your long-term financial goals.